Hello everyone, this is Direwolf20 and welcome to episode 83 of Direwolf20's server play series. Getting all kinds of situated here. Minor changes to the environment since I last hung out with you guys. Go ahead and made some changes to my code. I made a send message command, which I think I showed you guys last episode. And then this thing that I did over here was... Oh, and Soren's on with me. A couple people on TeamSpeak, but no one's on the server, because actually the Minecraft servers are down at the moment. So I happen to be on, but no one else can get on to join me. How fun is that?
Sad face.
So they're going to be in the sidelines hanging out until they can get back on, hopefully soon enough. I'm splitting up my resource chests here, because what I want to do is rewrite my turtle code to kind of... I'm going to change the go home command. I meant for that to be dir. Alright, so what this guy does is he goes to this position, turns right, and drops off. But I might want to go ahead and do the compare bit. You know, maybe sort the items, because then I want him to have a collect command, which he can come here, collect the resources he needs, and go down the line. So he'll get a stack of smooth stone, a stack of track, and a stack of booster track, for example. And we'll see, you know, down the line how that works out for us, but I think for now it'll probably work out pretty well. Maybe I even want to get a few more booster tracks. Oh yeah, we're getting there on redstone and whatnot. So I've got more resources to gather and, you know, deal with. So hopefully that'll work out pretty well. We'll see. So let me modify this programming a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you how I made out. Alright guys, wrote two programs. Collect, which will go to that chest and try and collect one stack of each item. So it should get one cobble, one rail, one powered rail. And then I wrote a program, or I edited the go home program, in which I create a function drop where it tries to put the right item in the right chest, so it compares with whatever it has and, you know, loops through. And then it's not clean code. I probably could have cleaned that up with a for loop, but oh well, I was being lazy. So let's try collect. You gonna behave? No, collect. Forgot to close a parentheses somewhere. Yeah, that would help right there. Hooray, it worked. Nice. Why did it put it? Oh, okay, I know why. I need that. And then I need to go home. Line 5 has a problem. Turtle.compare to... Oh, yeah, I don't really need this parentheses here, do I? Okay, that kind of didn't work, so let me clean up my code and see what I did wrong here and go home. Ooh, I forgot to do turtle.select inside my function drop for loop. There's your problem. Alright, so let's collect again. But before I do that, I'm going to put this back in here, this back in here, and this back in here. Doesn't really matter what anything is or where it is. Collect. Go. You should be behaving now much better than you were before. Good little turtle. Turtles are so fun.
Not arguing with you there.
Well, being OP all at the same time. Indeed.
I'm not going to disagree.
But he's not going to complain yet.
Okay, now I'm really doing something wrong. Gonna try that again. Wow, really? I ran a program called select and it didn't even like crash out? Fail. Oh well, now it should be working. Ish. Hey, that's much better. You know what I probably do now? Yeah, I should also drop off 16.
Of extra bees to find what caused it
And I'm back.
in a way that I could replicate it, then I could possibly make any I safeguarded against it in the future.
Oh, it's working now. See? Little bug coding, fixing, and whatnot. And Chicken Bones and Metabase are talking about cool, crazy things.
And I still cannot join.
Poor Soren. He doesn't
Nope.
get to sidekick today.
No. But this actually gives me an idea for against Richard G. This is a better force field. Not
Guess
beyond
I'm
one
going
game.
to go try and get a hold of the extra bees guys so I can get this bug fixed because I really.
So now when I execute
Sounds
the
like
leave
it would cause an
command
issue.
from the master program, and I should probably make sure this guy's reset again. Alright, so awesome, ready to go. So the leave command from here should now execute collect, and then send him outside the force field. Awesome. Oh, and I have some more cool things to show you guys.
You were difficult and you were.
At least you can use a Quanya.
It's working, it's working. My little turtle's doing what I want him to do.
Your little turtle working.
Your little turtle.
It's so fun watching these guys zip around and do what I tell them, and it's like, whee!
Why I want to play Downcraft 3?
Yeah, I want to play Thaumcraft 3.
It's like, these are turtles, but with one objective. Look awesome.
They're adorable.
They are. They look like they're wearing sunglasses.
I'm gonna have to go back and watch Direwolf's episode to figure out what the hell I called them. I don't remember now.
Who's doing what now?
I have to go watch your episode and remember what I called them. Adorable little golem thingies. Don't remember what I deemed them.
So anyway, guys, check this out. I got some new programs written. Clear forward, clear down, clear up.
Is interesting. Okay.
And that goes along with the place down, place up, and whatnot. So awesome stuff going on there. So place down, place track up, place track down. So I can do right now, place track up 4. I think I showed you guys this last one, right? It's all good, right? Oh, I also made it so that it places a powered rail every 3 instead of every 6.
What are you building? Crazy?
Magical stuff. Something Richard G. proof.
I'm gonna watch Ellie.
He belongs on the floor, and I cannot deem it to do that.
How cool is that? And then I can do... I'm building my own version of Steve's carts using computers. That's practically what I'm doing now.
This is very true.
Cool? Totally cool. Now I'm going to send this guy back home. Ping, ping, ping. And then here comes the turtle. Yeah, Metabase, you haven't seen what I've been playing with, have you?
No, I have not.
Don't you wish the authentication servers were up?
I do
The
very much wish
servers
this.
are up. It's
You
the
know what I
session
mean.
servers.
Yeah.
I was being less technical for the YouTube community. Don't you
Words.
wish you could get on Minecraft right now?
I
Yes,
do.
I do wish I could get on Minecraft.
I bet you do.
That is a safe bet, being as I just told you the answer to said bet. You would be a smart man to take said bet.
Hey, pal, open it.
And then everything else gets dumped off here. How cool is that? Okay.
Error response code 503.
Now that I'm really happy with how these turtles are working, I'm going to actually build something that might be cool. So let's
That
go
is.
start building things that are neat and such. I'll be back.
Nifty.
Alright, I am recording again, by the way. And let's do some stuff.
Hello.
I'm sending my turtle out to start building a little bit of a rail system. I haven't decided exactly how I want this whole thing to go, but, you know, I'm thinking it'll be fun. He should be collecting a decent amount of fuel right now. Yeah, he is. Collecting his items, and he's ready to roll. So let's find out where we want to create this little rail system. I'm going to just send him forward 10 like I have been in the past. So we'll do my new send message command. And basically send message will execute whatever I send after it. Cool, right? Totally. Now, once he's out here, I could control him manually, or I could go back and forth to the server every time, but I think I'm going to go manual. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and do place track, I don't know, 10. Yeah, that sounds good. And he's going to build.
Look, plasma torch.
And I'll have to do my own redstone torches thing, but that's okay. That won't be a big deal.
Yeah.
Gonna need more redstone eventually.
There's some in your age. Where?
Hey, this is working pretty well. Except for the part where that happened. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that up. And I'll be back once this guy's done clearing. Alright, I'm back, and he's cleared out everything for me. I just had to turn him around. So we will place track 1. Maybe once more. And then we'll place track up 15. And now he should be behaving. Yeah, he is. Nice. That is cool. So he should zip along here and do this, and all kinds of neat stuff happens. And I might even want to borrow just real quick and manually do this next piece, but oh well. Come here, you. Now you might be running out of resources already. A little bit, a little bit. Not too bad. I want to start off with a booster. Yeah. That is neat. Dude, I gotta show this to VSWE. I think he'll like this turtle program. Hey, what happened to you? You out of fuel? Probably. I didn't write into my program any stuff to, yeah, see, to determine if he's out of fuel. And you know what I should probably do? I'm just thinking. Hey, Soren, programmer question. Or Chicken Bones. What's 0 mod 6? Is that 0?
Yes.
Excellent.
Putting on the rinse.
So this should now always place a redstone thingy track first. See? Haha, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool. I like it. I like everything about it and how well it works. And notice that whenever I use place track 1, it's going to use that. So I'm probably going to want to manually fix this one. You know, this is me debugging.
This is getting cool.
What's that? Your thing?
It's actually transferring power now.
Oh my god!
Oh. I'm cool.
Oh, well, this is fun. Time for some more testing.
Why are there no screenshots?
I like Andrew. Picture it
Oh,
didn't happen.
out of stuff. So we're gonna have to go get him refueled. Haha. All right. So let's send him back home. This is so fun. How do you guys like this? I'm not building anything or doing any work.
Yeah.
Yes, you're working. You have to program them.
Not anymore. Done.
Come on, why aren't you returning? Oh, right, because you're not in, yeah, that mode.
Right. 0.4.5 is not a number.
Let me get this stuff before he causes a troublesome problem. There we go. Ha! That's what I say to you, Mr. Turtle. Didn't want to listen to my commands, did you? That's the one problem with my program, is I look for anything besides paying except the word done. Maybe that's what I should do. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I'll edit. Nah, I'll mess with it later. It's fine for now. Let's do this. I'm just going to pretend he made it inside the force field correctly. There we go. So he should head back and take care of its stuff. And I'm going to let him basically drop off everything. I'm going to send him right back out. How cool. One thing I do want to do is get the... I didn't have to go through the force field for this, but I'm going to get this out of here.
Later,
Just so he has more fuel to hang out in. And then we'll say leave, and he'll go back outside. And I'll meet you guys out there. And we're back to the turtle building a track. Haha! Having so much fun with this. This is kind of cool. So I'm going to like send these guys up really high, and then it's going to be like, zoom, roller coaster straight down.
Goodness. Have the elevator track do. That face Minecraft.
I'm suddenly feeling like always putting the powered track first isn't like the best plan. Alright, so this guy is currently at 1207. Ha! Perfect. Alright. And remember, I set it up, I don't know if I told this to the YouTube audience, but I set up place track down to always use regular track and never use booster tracks because it's just not necessary. Wahaha.
Booster track's not necessary.
For when it's building a downward ramp.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There's like 3 programs I wrote. Build a forward rail and sloping upward stairwell type rail, and then a sloping downward stairwell type rail. So cool. So cool. I should build some like crazy thing that like is really complicated, but for now I'm just kind of getting my bearings with like a simple one. Alright, that's a little bit too low. I need this thing to like be done soon. Don't worry, I have a clear upwards command. See? How nice that works out. Ooh, I think that was perfect too. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. I meant to place track, not place track down. I'll be right back. And there we go. He's doing exactly what I want him to do now. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, this I need to place. But I actually wanted this to be a normal rail, not a powered rail. That should kind of work. Alright, so you take this stuff back home. Oh, and it was perfect. He was completely... Dude, that was perfectly out of... Nice. Awesome. Let's put him in, you know, restart mode, ready to roll. Everything should get sorted back where it belongs, and we're going to say return, please. That should issue the return command. He should go back to his home where he belongs. Good job, Turtle. Very good job, actually. Nice. Alright, while he sorts himself out, let's get a rail track and test this thing. Might even have some iron in here. Yeah, I do. Oh, I'm riding on the rails in a moment. First things first, though, need some redstone. Don't I have some around here somewhere? No, not really. Might in here. Yeah, I do. So I'm going to go put some redstone torches around, and then I'll be back. And I'm back after lighting up all the torches. Cool. I'm ready to try this thing out. Here goes nothing. Whee!
Oh.
Hey, it's working. And the, you know, every 3 rails thing, perfect. That is neat. I'm riding on a roller coaster that I built with rails and computers.
You're equally unfair here. Just
I
as
know.
much as chicken bones.
I know, I'm completely unfair. Hey, in fairness, Soren, you saw most of the turtle laying out track stuff, so, like, you know, just,
That is true.
you know, add on and be like, yeah, okay, I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know how.
So I should set it up so that I can, like, get off at some point automatically without just breaking this thing. That would be cool.
Turtle cart. That's what I
Turtle
want.
cart. You heard it here, folks.
I want that.
Dude, you're a developer. Make it happen. Don't be all I want. Just be like, I made it.
I want to make it intern.
That's my job.
Yeah.
Yeah, chicken bones. You can do that too.
I don't know
Nice.
what all it do though.
I should go make a cart dispenser and whatnot.
Actually, we need to talk to Dan200 and either VSWE or Cobra Jaguar to make it so turtles can mount carts. Even though they're tile entities.
Do what now?
Like, think of a turtle riding a cart, make it move faster across the world, and then departs.
Make it so the turtle becomes the engine and plays at the furnace cart.
and then it can dismount and act like a turtle again.
I have no idea what you're asking for.
Turtles move really slowly across the world, yes?
Theoretically.
One block at a time, as fast as one block
Yeah.
can move. Make it so it can mount a cart, so it just is a render, more or less, for the cart. And it carries the turtle out wherever it needs to go. And then when it wants to dismount, it can come off the cart and then act like a turtle again.
Can't you build that with railcraft and, you know, anything? Deployers and or turtles?
Yes, sir.
Like, basically that's what I built, right? But the only thing that would be
Yeah.
in between what my force field system does is just have a railcraft component where a rail cart carries the turtle. Somewhere. I guess the only downside of my system is that you know, have to break the turtle in order for it to happen, so it loses everything, like resource and inventory wise. Yep. My little minecart system's working. That is cool. I should probably switch these out with those other kinds of tracks, too. Just these two. Just so people know what direction they're supposed to go in.
Visuals time it is.
Oh, is it time to see cool things on zaicraft?
It's time for me to make one final set of visuals, and then yes.
Okay, I'm gonna
Hooray!
push what I have just to merge how it needs to be.
Yeah, so YouTube audience, just FYI, Chicken Bones is helping out with some cool things happening on zaicraft. Chicken Bones and Soren are, you know, there's some cool things happening there.
Uh-huh.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little excited. And I'll be back in a minute. And we're back. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty happy with this little track setup thing. It's neat. I'm debating what I want to do with this next, because this program actually made building this neat little roller coaster very easy. I mean, it was literally like, tell it how high you want it to go, and everything's automated, the whole thing. I don't think I want to do as far as placing the redstone torches underneath the rail things automatic. I probably could, especially on the upward ramps. That would probably be very easy to deploy. Maybe I'll add that into the computer code. But the moving forward one, yeah, it's a little bit less enjoyable. Well, I mean, maybe. It would be a lot more complex for that. Like, this one, it's easy, right? It's just whenever you're about to, you know, it's not hard, but meh, we'll see.
Is said roller coaster dimension based?
Is what now?
Interdimensional?
Interdimensional?
Travel through ages?
No, not at this point. It
That's
definitely could be.
Soren, do you know if there's a way to find all the to-do tags you left around your dev environment?
Search. I'll find that out.
Yeah. How many to-do tags are you leaving around?
Probably a lot. A lot.
Well, I don't know. I've got to find them so I can do them now.
I've not checked in on most of my stuff in a while, by the way.
Right. Well, once for rendering.
Having way too much fun in my void world. I did drop a block of
You
iron
hit
in
search
here.
in Eclipse,
Oh good, we got lots of iron ingots.
Go to
Nice.
So
File
you
search,
just
file
got to
search.
search for to-do. Okay.
and then just go down to zaicraft and common. So
That's cool.
there's one
I
in
might
Buildcraft
want to
API.
go do one more thing while I'm here.
Nice. One would assume that would be done. Oh, no.
What'd you do now?
There's a to-do in Buildcraft API.
Is there?
Yeah.
What is it?
Let me see.
Soren, can you show me that that video you had before that you showed me with your inspiration so I can use it for reference?
Sure thing. Let me
Is
find
this
it.
the way my engines were set up? I think not.
Try to see if we can get a world instance to call this instead of null. Huh. Tile entity related.
What the heck?
What happened?
People are scaring me.
Hey, I just made
I'm
a
pretty
finger
sure this
baby.
is not how my electrical engines were set up last time I was in this age.
Which age?
My mining age, where I do all my mining, because I'm actually like getting to a point
Sorry,
where
I
I'm
added
well.
one more.
You did what now?
I added anything.
You added something?
I think. If not, I don't know.
Is that what you did?
Oh,
Either a
come
solar
on.
panel or an
Every
engine.
to-do tag is yours.
I think I added an engine because I was trying to figure out how this should connect to redstone.
Oh, so you just added an engine there? That's all it was? I thought.
I hope so.
So was I only using one engine? I don't even remember.
Yeah,
how I had that
you
thing
were.
set up from however long ago. Is that also when you stole my soldering iron? Which, FYI, everyone on YouTube, remember I was looking for my soldering iron like a couple episodes back? Someone's like, oh yeah, I saw that episode where you were looking for your soldering iron. It was me.
To be fair, I was watching. It's like, where's my soldering iron? Oh crap! It was on my inventory.
It was in your inventory, no less.
Well, you should have pinged me. But no, I think I just added one engine.
Oh, really?
But
Video?
well, video looking. The game's not too old, but not too many people filmed it because it was hard to use the screen.
Not sure
Like, it
how
was
I want to
probably
set
one of
this
the-
part up again.
Worst cameras for real-time strategy. Yes, it was zoomed in all the time.
I'll probably just want to recreate a whole new linking book for the whole age. That might probably be what I want to do. Like, that linking book stays the same, but I need a new linking book on the other side. The one that's in this portal. And then just, like, relocate everything. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. But I'm also thinking I'm
Yeah.
probably going to want to do that between episodes, because you guys have seen me set up enough quarries. Yeah, definitely. So I think it's time to wrap up. What do you guys think?
I'm not gonna say anything because I might get raged at.
Yeah, probably. Unfortunately, guys, it definitely is getting close to or about that wrapping up point. So this is Direwolf20 signing off on episode 83 of Direwolf20's server play. Hope you guys enjoyed checking it out. I'm pretty happy with the turtles that I built and all that crazy railcraft, roller coaster. I have more plans to go with that, I hope. Probably, messing around a little bit more with roller coasters and whatnot. We'll see. Might build some more cool ones, especially once I can get other people on the server again, because I just happen to luck out being able to be on the server at the moment with the Minecraft servers down. So I'll be back next episode. This is Direwolf20 signing off. Take it easy.